Hola, buenos días. Today is a great lesson because I want to tell you how to flirt a little bit, how to give a really nice compliment, and how to boast. So let's get started. Before I should tell you, we're going to have a little heartbreak today. You already know, and you're happy that you know, that the word to speak is hablar, right? Hablar is to speak, so the heartbreak time. I speak es diferente, and you speak es diferente again. Pero no importa, it doesn't matter because they're similar enough that you're going to be able to remember them, you're going to be able to comunicar. I, first of all. I is yo. So if you're talking about yo, like the Americans do, yo, yo, then you're going to say yo hablo. Right? So it stops being hablar and it becomes hablo. Yo hablo español. Right, let's have a boast. If you want to say perfectly, it's perfectamente. Of course, if you want to, you can say, I speak a little bit of Spanish, or I speak a lot of Spanish. But why not big up yourself and say, yo hablo español perfectamente. Yo hablo un poco de español. Yo hablo mucho español. Yo hablo español perfectamente. If we're talking about you, the word for you is tú. And then it becomes tú hablas. Hablar is to speak. Yo hablo is I speak. And you speak is tú hablas. So you might want to take some notes. I'll post some notes as well so you can use mine if you want to. Up to you. But I wouldn't be able to remember this stuff if I didn't write it down. So tú hablas perfectamente. There's a nice compliment. Why not tell it to some Spanish speaker that you might be having a little interchange with? Tú hablas inglés perfectamente. Y yo hablo español perfectamente. So there's your compliment and your boast. All right? Yo hablo español perfectamente. The other thing that I want to learn today is with you. So we're going to move from a compliment and a boast to a little flirt. I want is quiero, and I wanted to give you the word with you, which is contigo. Contigo. It's a really nice word, contigo. So if you want to say, I want a pizza with you, quiero una pizza contigo. You can see how that would, you could put a little flirt on that, couldn't you? Quiero una conversación contigo. That could go either way. It could be something nice you're saying to someone, or it could be something a bit scary. Quiero una conversación contigo. You could say, I want a Coca-Cola with you. Una bebida. Quiero una bebida contigo. And isn't that nice? A little invitación to make un amigo, which is the whole point of learning to hablar español, is to comunicar and to make amigos. So what I want you to take away from today is a flirt. Quiero una conversación contigo. Quiero una bebida contigo. A compliment. Tú hablas inglés perfectamente. And a boast. Yo hablo español perfectamente. And then once you've taken those away, if you can record them and share them with me, that would be perfecto. I would love to hear that. So share that with me on my Facebook page, or and rather, come back mañana, because mañana is a day when we're going to learn a little funny thing about Spanish pronunciation. We're going to learn a little funny word that sounds rude in inglés, but is perfectamente, inocente in español. So come back for that and find out what that's all about. Hasta mañana is until tomorrow. So hasta mañana. Adios.